gentlemen, we'll be turning off the seatbelt sign once it's safe to do so. We encourage you to keep your seatbelt on for the duration of the flight, just in case. If you're going to open an overhead bin, be careful as a few things may have shifted on takeoff. And don't forget, smoking is not allowed on board, including electronic and simulated cigarettes. There are smoke detectors on board for your safety. If you brought alcohol, please remember, as per Transfer Canada regulations, consuming personal alcohol is not permitted on board. We're pleased to have you player and play streaming entertainment system. In the seat pocket in front of you, you'll find a handy How to Connect card. You can connect with your laptop, iPad, iPhone, or Android device through the Air Canada app, or you can rent one of our iPads for a cost of just $10. We're also pleased to offer you a wide selection of delicious snacks and meals from our onboard cafe. Take a browse to the menu in your seat pocket and have your credit card